How to solve two-step algebra equations using inverse operations. Have you ever looked at a two-step algebra equation and felt a bit lost? Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we will break down how to solve these equations using inverse operations. This method is all about isolating the variable, which is the unknown number we want to find. First, let's understand what a two-step equation is. It consists of one variable and two operations. For example, in the equation 2 times x plus 3 equals 11, we have multiplication and addition at play. The goal is to get x by itself on one side of the equation. To start solving, we need to identify the operations applied to the variable. In our example, is first multiplied by 2 and then 3 is added. To isolate x, we will undo these operations in reverse order. The first step is to undo the last operation, which is addition in this case. We do this by subtracting 3 from both sides of the equation. So, we take 2 times x plus 3 minus 3 equals 11 minus 3. This simplifies to 2 times x equals 8. Next, we need to undo the first operation, which is multiplication. Since x was multiplied by 2, we will divide both sides by 2. This gives us 2 times divided by 2 equals 8 divided by 2. Now we find that x equals 4. It is always a good idea to check our solution. We can do this by substituting the value of x back into the original equation. If we replace with 4 in the equation 2 times 4 plus 3, we get 8 plus 3, which equals 11. Our solution checks out. Let's look at another example to reinforce this method. Consider the equation for times x minus 5 equals 11. First, we will undo the subtraction. We add 5 to both sides, resulting in 4 times x equals 16. Now, we will undo the multiplication. Dividing both sides by 4 gives us equals 4 again. This method works for any two-step linear equation. By applying inverse operations in reverse order, we can systematically isolate the variable and solve the equation. Remember, addition and subtraction are inverses, just like multiplication and division. So, the next time you encounter a two-step algebra equation, just follow these steps, and you will be able to solve it with confidence.